welcome to Colonia Middle School. Thank you for joining us this evening for our virtual open house. I am Mrs. Lagunovich, our school's principal, and this is Mr. Tabor, our vice principal. Of course, this is not the way we intended our open house to take place. However, we wanted to give you the opportunity to meet your child's teachers. Our teachers have been working tirelessly to prepare interesting and motivating lessons for your children. The use of technology in the classroom has taken on a new dimension and is difficult for many. This is a trying time for you, your children, and our faculty. However, we do know that by working together, we will provide a stable and safe learning environment. I am proud to be working among these amazing teachers who truly care about your child's education and their social and emotional health. We have many resources available on our school's website for your referral. Please take advantage of the information and contact your child's guidance counselor should you need assistance. We are looking forward to reopening school on October 12th. We are pleased that so many students will be returning to the building. Please keep checking our school's website for updated information for re-entry, in addition to the email and text messages that will be sent. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to contact Mr. Tabor or me for information. So come on in and have a great evening.
Good evening, parents. It's Mr. Bernstein, your voiceover for the night. You should now be reporting to your child's Google Classroom, Block 1, 2, 3, and 4. Teachers have prepared special open house videos for your viewing pleasure. All videos will be available until Friday, October 2nd.